Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As we are going through chapter management of natural resources, today we will discuss management of water resources. Water is also one of our natural resource, and water is basic necessity for all life forms like plants, animals, human beings that exist on this earth. ठीक है? And हमारी जो country है, we have good resources of water, but there are some areas where which face a shortage of water, and the areas having good availability of water, they are flourishing because they are having good crops. But the areas which are having shortage of water, they are thick of poverty because they have a poor growth of crops. It is therefore necessary to have a proper management of water resources so that there will be equal distribution of water for all people in all parts of our country. Now let us see what are different sources of water. Different sources of water are rains, rivers, ponds, wells, oceans, glaciers. Now let's first see rain. What's rain? Rain is an important source of water. In India, rains are due to monsoons and rainwater that fills the lakes, ponds, and also flows into the rivers. And some rainwater that seeps into the ground and becomes available as groundwater. ठीक है, बट अगर हमारा ग्राउंड वाटर अच्छा अवेलेबल हो, वी कैन this will help us to overcome the shortage of water. But due to loss of vegetation, there this much water that does not seep into the ground and it rather flows into the rivers. ठीक है, and जो rain water, it's also stored in lakes that's used for long period of time. And there are some natural lakes and there are some artificial lakes also. And despite good rains, we are not able to meet the demand of water because our population that's increasing rapidly, and due to lack of sufficient vegetation, much water that doesn't seeps into the ground, and we face shortage of water. Or जो high yielding varieties of crops like hybrid crops, they require much water for irrigation, and this also makes us to face shortage of water. और जो हम सीवेज या इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट that we discharge into rivers and lakes, that also reduce the availability of usable water. और जो changing lifestyles of people है, especially in urban areas, that's also consuming much water. ठीक है, सेकेंड जो है रिवर्स है. रिवर जो है, दे आर ऑल्सो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ वाटर एंड they get their water supply from the melting of snow that are lying on the peaks of snow mountains as well as from the rains. And जो ये river water है, इसका जो use है, that's managed by construction of dams on rivers. What are dams? In order to make proper use of water, dams are constructed across the rivers to regulate the flow of river water. In our country, many dams have been built, like Bhakra Dam that has been built across the river Satluj in Punjab. And जो ये dams है, they are a big source of river water. Dams जो है, they are very useful for us in many ways because जो water होता है dams का, that's used for irrigation, and that water is also supplied to towns and cities after proper treatment, after suitable treatment. And that water is used by the population of the that is in towns and cities. और जो ये dam water है, that's also used for generation of electricity. ठीक है, but when there was construction of dams, इससे भी कुछ problems arise हो गई. क्या कौन कौन सी problem arise हो गई? First, social problem. What is social problem? सोशल प्रॉब्लम में क्या आता है कि ड्यू टू कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ हाई राइज डैम्स, जो वहाँ की ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट थी, वहाँ के जो लोग थे, विलेजेस थे, दैट वर सबमर्ज्ड इनटू द वाटर due to construction of dams, and many people, they were rendered homeless. This creates a social problem, and it is therefore necessary that कि all people जो वहाँ से displace किए गए थे dam side से, उनको एडुकेट कंपनसेशन मिले गवर्नमेंट से फॉर रिहेबिलिटेशन सो एज टू स्टार्ट दियर लाइफ एफ्रेश. दस वी कैन से जो कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डैम्स है, जो रिवर्स पे डैम्स कंस्ट्रक्ट किए गए, उससे सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही, और जो गवर्नमेंट है उनको क्या देना चाहिए? educate compensation so that they will be able to start their life afresh. Second is environmental problem, and जो construction of dams or rivers है, that also contributes to deforestation. that contributes to cutting down of trees and loss of biodiversity. And this is because variety of flora and fauna that get submerged into the water of large reservoirs that were formed by the dam, and that also disturbs the ecological balance. ठीक है, दो thus we can say जो construction of dam, इससे और एक problem arise हुई, that is environmental problem. Third is economic problem. इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम में क्या आता है कि जो पीपल ये हाई कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डैम्स करते थे और दे वर स्पेंडिंग ए ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ पब्लिक मनी विदाउट द जनरेशन ऑफ अप्रोप्रिएट बेनिफिट्स. डैम्स कंस्ट्रक्शन करने में बहुत पैसा लगता था, लेकिन वहाँ से उतना फ़ायदा हमें नहीं मिलता था. और जो ये है, there can be no real progress without building dams because they allow us to manage our water resources properly and at the same time gives us much needed electricity without causing any air pollution. ठीक है, whether the construction of dams on rivers is an economic problem. जो ये है डैम्स है, इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम कैसे हो गई, एक तो हमें पैसा इसमें ज़्यादा लगता था और बेनिफिट वहाँ से नहीं मिलता था, लेकिन वी कैन से देयर कैन बी नो रियल प्रॉब्लम. लेकिन जो डैम्स है इससे हमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी जनरेट होती थी. दस वी कैन से इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा हम कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे. यहाँ के कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डैम से हमें पैसा मिलता है ज़्यादा. हम इसमें जो प्रॉब्लम अराइज होती थी वो क्या थी, सोशल प्रॉब्लम एंड एनवायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल तहरी डैम जो है रिवर गंगा में, उसकी जब वो कंस्ट्रक्ट हो गए तो वहाँ अपोजिशन किस लिए हो गई, due to such problems, because due to this social problem and this environmental problem. ठीक है, और जो next source of water, that's wells and tubewells. Wells and tubewells, they are also source of water. और इनमें कहाँ से पानी आता है wells और tubewells में, that's underground water that comes from rain water that seeps into the ground. And when this water is stopped by hard rocks, it collects under the ground, and this underground water is taken out later by digging a well into the ground. This is called well. ठीक है, thus we can say these are the different sources of water which are available to us: river water, rain water, दिस अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. ठीक है, और जो अंडरग्राउंड वाटर है, अगर वेजिटेशन अच्छी होगी, this water we can increase the, we can raise the this underground water, and this underground water will be available in a good proportion. Thank you.